Hello and welcome to MONTCO CONNECT. This video will introduce you to MONTCO CONNECT and the major features that it supports. Before we get started, it is important to understand that MONTCO CONNECT is both a portal and communications platform at the same time. What does that mean? A portal is a website that you visit to then access many other systems and services. For instance, there are links to all of your courses, your email account, the payment center, etc. on MONTCO CONNECT. Secondly, MONTCO CONNECT is a communications website where the college is able to communicate with you and you are able to communicate with others. Through the communications functionality in MONTCO CONNECT, you are able to post new content, comment on an existing post, like a post, and even direct message other users. Through these groups, MONTCO will regularly post important information and events to you as a student. The most important thing to know, however, is that students are able to create groups of their own. Groups can be used to communicate in study groups with friends in the same class, or to simply meet others at MONTCO who have a similar interest. Groups can be private, where only certain friends can join, or public, where the entire college can join. Okay. With this information, let's get started reviewing the major features of MONTCO CONNECT. When you first log into MONTCO CONNECT, you will see an activity feed in the center of your screen. This is where you will see a combination of messages, including group messages, events, and notices from the college. In the top center of the screen, you will see Search. The search box can be used to locate a specific tool or page. It can also be used to locate groups, clubs, frequently asked questions, other students, and employees of the college. On the left-hand side of the screen on the desktop, you will see your main navigation. To access this navigation via the app, you can click the hamburger icon on the top left-hand side of the screen. In this section, you will see a Discover button. In the Discover area, you will have the ability to explore different clubs, events, and people. This is how you join the clubs at MONTCO. Next, there are Tools. In this area, you can access all of your important links. This is one of the most important areas in Connect. Remember, if you aren't able to find something you were looking for, you can utilize the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you locate the links you are looking for, you have the ability to add it to your favorites. Your favorited links will appear in the section marked Favorites for easy access. As a MONTCO student, you now have the ability to easily communicate with others throughout the institution. In the Groups section, you can access all of the groups that you belong to. Any clubs you join will be accessible from this area. The last section in this area is Pages. Here you can access the MONTCO CONNECT Quick Start Guide, where there are a variety of detailed videos to teach you how to use Connect. If you look to the right-hand side of your screen on the desktop, you will see your My Week and academic profile information. To access these items via the MONTCO CONNECT app, you can click the Widget button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Your My Week session displays your course schedule as well as any meetings or events you will be attending. Under the My Week section, you will see your academic profile. Your academic profile features your major, your GPA, and advisor information. This was your introductory guide to MONTCO CONNECT. Please now reference the MONTCO CONNECT Getting Started videos. To access them, navigate to Pages, MCCC, then click MONTCO CONNECT Getting Started.